with Slices Concession. Today we're going to take a look at the 342D made by Taylor. We've taken all these parts out, we've sanitized them, and now we're ready to reassemble. First thing we're going to start with is the drive shafts. We take our black drive shaft gasket. We're going to take our Taylor lube. You can use any lubricant that's NSF certified. And we're just going to put it right around in here along the inside ring of that gasket. We're also going to put a little bit up along this gasket, but we're going to keep it off of the main drive shafts. And the way that goes in is when you push it into place, if you just twist it a little bit, you'll feel it line up and it'll lock in place. So we're going to do the other one. Then we're going to do the main drive shaft. I'm sorry, the main beater or auger with two blades. Put our guide rods in. We want to keep the hole that comes out of the front of the guide rods in the vertical orientation. Now we're going to put the face plates together. Put a little lubricant around the edge of these gaskets. That allows the plungers to travel as we want them to. What I'm doing right now is I just put this crusher in there and I'm just going to twist the plunger until this falls into place. There we go. I'm going to line up this hole with the edge of the faceplate. Drop our handle in. As we twist the handle and push this down, it'll lock right in place. Slide and our bent screw. Now we're going to work on the other side. have it. Our machine is assembled. It's ready for a mix to be added, and then we can make ice cream or make slushies.